Hello students, I welcome you all again in your EVS class. Here in this class, today we are again going to continue our last chapter, that is flying high. In this chapter we have seen different types of feathers, different types of beaks, different types of birds, even different qualities of them. Here you can see few pictures of birds, beautiful birds. Few are flying high in the sky and few are in the water too. Few are on the ground, few are on the land and few are near to the sky. Right. Each and every bird is of different type. Few are near our houses too. Few can fly, few cannot fly. We are going to see few more things about them. It's a peacock. You know that it is very famous for its beautiful dance. Right. It seems very beautiful when it dances and also for its beautiful look. Here it's a parrot. Parrot is also a beautiful bird. Along with it, it's also famous for its specialty, that is it can speak like us. If we can train them well, definitely they can speak well. More than us, even few things I would love to share with you. In my own house, I was having parrot at that time in my childhood time. That parrot we used to keep it in a cage in front of our house. This is not a good habit, children. We should not keep birds in a cage. I was small, I was not aware of, but my family kept it. But it was trained in such a way that if any unknown person comes to our house, it started speaking ma kyun aise, ma kyun aise. In this type of word they used to use and they used to speak with us, and they used to they used to spread awareness that someone unknown person has come to our house. Mom, you just have a look. Today, children, we are going to discuss about different birds' house, how birds build nest, why birds build nest, different types of feathers and work of different types of feathers. Birds' house. Where do birds live? Birds are not living like us. They are not living with us, right? How birds build nests, how they build nests, these all things in detail we are going to see. Bird's house means what, children? Nest. Birds lives in nest. Different types of nests they used to live in it. Why do you think that birds build nest? Birds build nest to lay eggs and to keep their young ones safely. Birds build nests to live in and to keep their eggs and young ones safely. Here you can see very clearly that there is a picture of a nest. Inside it there is 3 eggs. That means upcoming young ones, right? Yes, children, even birds keep their young one for making them adults. Even children, you know that mother bird goes outside to bring food for these small birds, or the baby one, or the young one, or you can say the chick. For chicks, mother bird or parent bird goes outside and brings food in their beak for them, right? For fulfilling their needs or for their growth, they keep them in a nest. Until and unless they knows to fly, they are staying inside it so that their mother bird or father bird takes care of them. Even children at night to take rest, they make nest. Even at night time they want to take rest. That time they can't hang in a tree like bat, but they need nest. Bat can do that, they can hang, but other birds can't, right? They need nest to stay in it. There are different types of nest. Each bird is not making the same type of nest. Each and every bird is having different types of nest. Here you can see the first picture. In the leaf, in a particular plant itself, bird make a nest. With the help of thread, it stitches its parts, and here by stitching it, it makes a nest. Here this bird name is tailor bird. Why we call it tailor bird? Because it has a special quality. It is like a tailor only. It can stitch with the help of its beak. Its beak is like a needle which helps them to do stitching. By stitching the leaf, they keep their young ones inside it. They lay eggs inside. They keep or they use that leaf as their nest. The next one is weaver bird. Here you can see this bird is more talented. See its nest. It's something else. It's very different, very difficult to make, right? But they stitches it in such a way that enemies can't get inside easily. From top, enemies can't get them. That where are they? But from the down part, you can see from the down part here. Here it's a hole from where these birds can get inside. At the top here, here in this part, there is no hole. Here it's totally blocked, because of which enemies can't find them easily. It becomes very difficult for enemies to fly from the up and come from here and go from here. It becomes very difficult for them to go. So they can save their life by keeping their young ones or baby one inside it. Even children, this is the common nest which we know that other birds are making, right? Which other birds can make it. This nest we can find in different places. Few times we might have seen it's on the top of the plant, top of the branch. Even children, we have seen this nest at the top of the building, even in few places at the top of a window also, window shelf at the corner of it. There also we can find this kind of nest. For making nest, children, birds needs very many different things. Like, just go for the first picture. Here birds required particular plant leaf, particular plants leaf. It's need particular plants leaf. Then here for stitching, thread. Yes, second picture see very carefully. Second picture see very carefully. Here this bird requires this part. This is hay or dry grass, you can say. Here in the last picture you can see it's a hay or dry grass. Even you can find here straws also. Different birds use different things to make nest. Even children, when there is a egg or young one is there, that time mother bird brings wool, cotton for them to get a smoother surface. See here, birds build nest using leaves, straws, twigs, wool, cotton and thread. Birds can take care of their nest in places safe from enemies and bad weathers. To make their young ones safe from enemies and also to get control over the bad weather. Here they use leaves. Here they use leaves. Next is straws. Next it is twigs, TWIGS, twigs. Here it's wool. Here it's cotton. And the last is thread. Last is thread. Different things it requires to build nest. Yes, children, say after me. Birds required leaves, then straws, then twigs. Twigs means dried branches, small branches of a trees or plants. Okay, then it's a wool, cotton and thread. Okay, Now children, we are going to see few more things. We have seen what things they use. Now it's a time to see about different types of feathers. Yes children, birds need feathers to keep themselves warm, to cover their entire body and also to fly. Their wings and entire body is covered with feathers, right? A bird's body and wings are covered with many feathers. There are different types of feathers. See here, these birds' entire body is covered with different feathers, even different colors of feathers. Here also you can find, here this crow is flying or trying to fly. With the help of their wings only they can fly. Like penguin is also having a wing, but its wing is so small that it can't help them to take that heavy body up. It can't lift it up. That's why they can't fly, but they can walk. Different types of feathers. Let's see about different types of feathers. Children, there are mainly three kinds of feathers. There are mainly three kinds of feathers. First is down feather, which is very soft and fluffy. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the bird warm. They keep the bird warm. They help the bird to keep their body warm. Then body feather. Body feather covers a bird's body. It helps the bird to keep or to cover their entire body. And the last is flight feather. This feather helps a bird to fly. It is mainly found in their wings or in their tail. These flight feathers helps the bird to fly high. Yes children, now just have a look. Just have a look on this bird. I am going to show you something. Just have a look. This is a picture of a parrot. Right. Now you are just going to have a look. It is down feather. Down feather. And little bigger one which you can find over here. It's body feather. And here it's a flight feather. These three feathers are there in bird's body. Very small feathers are known as down feathers. It is very soft and fluffy. It helps the bird to keep the entire body warm. Body feathers, throughout the body you can find this body feather. And flight feather are the bigger feather which helps the bird to fly high. Okay children, now we are going to just have a small recap on our today's topic. First we have seen bird's house, that is nest. Different birds have different types of nest. How birds build nest children? With the help of, can you recall? Yes, say after me. With the help of leaves, then straw, then twigs, wool, cotton and thread. Even they use a beak too to build their nest. Why birds build nest children? To live inside safely and to keep their young one safely. Even to lay eggs and at night to take rest. Birds build nest. Types of feathers. There are mainly three types of feathers. First is down feather, which is very small, soft and fluffy. These feathers help bird to keep their body warm. Body feather. This feather you can find in the entire body. This feather helps the bird to cover the entire body. And flight feather is the last feather which helps the bird to fly high. Mostly you can find this feather in their wings and in their tail. Work of different types of feathers that we have already seen. Down feather helps them to keep their body warm. Body feather you can find in entire body, and lastly the flight feather helps them to fly. Yes children, today we have seen different things in it in this chapter. Yes children, just go through it and also see that if you can help these birds by any way, like during now you can see that it's a summer season. Here in this season you can go for one thing, just take a bowl and put some food for it, or put some rice or some dal or something, or any grains, and in another bowl you just keep water at the top of your building or near your window. You can find that birds are coming over there to have it. Okay, if you can help them, please help them out. Let them also survive like us. Okay, now children, today only till this. Take care of your health, listen to your parents, stay home, stay safe. Meet you soon in our next video.